Hi friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 17th April. Welcome everybody to our today's session of Today in History in our regular GK series Today in History in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. If you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can be able to memorize easily. Now start today's session. Question number 1. Which Indian politician died on this day in 1975, was the first vice president and second president of India whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India? Answer: Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. His birthday, September 5th, is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India. Question number 2. Which Indian Odia politician, poet and journalist died on this day in 2012, had got Kendriya Sahitya Academy Award for his novel Gharadiya? Answer: Nityananda Mahapatra. Question number 3. Which professional player of billiards born on this day in 1961 was 6 times winner of professional level and 3 times winner of the world championship, who along with Prakash Padukone founded Olympics Gold Quest, a foundation for the promotion of sports in India? Answer: Geet Sethi. Question number 4. Which Indian actress born on this day in 1994 is known for the film मेरी बेटी सनी लियोने बनना चाहती है and चरित्रहीन, a web series? Answer: Naina Ganguly. Question number 5. Which year on this day India entered space age, launching SLV-3 rocket? Answer: 1983. Question number 6. Which Sri Lankan cricket coach and former professional cricketer born on this day in 1972 was the first to take 800 wickets in Test cricket? Answer: Muttiah Muralitharan. Question number 7. Which year on this day Libya, Egypt and Syria together formed the union to form United Arab State? Answer: 1971. Question number 8. Which officer in British Indian Army invented snooker on this day in 1875? Answer: Neville Chamberlain. Question number 9. Which Spanish author from Colombia died on this day in 2014, had written novels 100 Years of Solitude and Love at the Time of Cholera, and got Nobel Prize in Literature in 1982? Answer: Gabriel Garcia Marquez. Question number 10. Schools, health clinics and doctors got prepared on this day in 1962 for administering oral polio vaccine of which inventor after it had been approved by the government, who had not injected Salk vaccine? Answer: Albert Sabin. Here Salk is Jonas Salk, who is the first inventor of polio vaccine that was given in form of injection. Friends, thanks for viewing the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.